following segment is sponsored by Derailed Commodity Flooring and Furniture.
Regardless of where you live in the four-state area, chances are you're very close to the four states' finest flooring and carpet store. Here with me is one of the store managers is Joe Shockley. He, of course, is the manager at the Joplin Derailed Commodity, again, winner of our finest flooring and carpet store. Congratulations, Joe.
Thank you.
What does it mean to have this honor?
Well, it means a lot. First of all, we'd like to say thank you to everybody who voted for us. It means a lot. We appreciate all of our customers and look forward to many more years of success here in the four states.
You guys have a ton of product. Again, this is for flooring and carpet. You have both. Tell our viewers who may not be familiar with your store what all you have.
Well, we have a lot of flooring in stock, which is kind of what we do here. We have numerous brands from Shaw, Mohawk, Cortec, a bunch of stuff we can order in, but we do have a lot in stock available the same day.
You know, there's a perception about your company that because you're able to sell things cheaper than some of your competitors, that you have a cheap product. But you and I both know that's not the case. You offer some of the top brands and best styles. So tell us about what those are.
Sure. Like I said before, we carry a lot in stock. We have actually numerous stores that provide us a good buying power for what we have in stock. We do carry stuff that we can custom order again. Shaw, Mohawk, Dreamweaver, Cortec, Provenza floors.
You name it, you got it.
Sure.
You mentioned numerous stores, of course, right here in Joplin, Butler, also here in Missouri,
Right.
or over across the state line, Independence and Brazelton, Kansas. So you got a lot of options.
Sure.
Joe, hey, thank you again and congratulations. Derailed Commodity, the finest flooring and carpet store in the four states.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Derailed Commodity Flooring and Furniture.